Hey everyone, I have a really fun and easy Christmas design for you to kick off the holiday season. So let's get started by taking a chalk pencil and lining out a line for the horizon and the tree. Next, I'm going to use this brushed metal acrylic paint from Folk Art. It's really pretty because it's kind of a metallic black. And so we're going to use this to highlight the sky. So it's going to be a night sky. So I have a confession to make. This video is coming out around November 15th or 16th of 2020, and we put our Christmas tree up last weekend. 2020 has just been a doozy of a year, and the holidays bring my family so much joy that we decided we were going to start a little bit early and enjoy it a little bit longer. So here come the Christmas rocks along with it. So these are the colors we're going to use with our dotting tools to create our Christmas tree. I'm going to start with a fairly large dotting tool and use the lighter and the darker green and just add some larger dots in to start forming the tree, and then gradually moving down to smaller dotting tools to fill in some of the blanks. So I'm going to put a fair amount of green first before I add any of the colors. Start adding the colors to the Christmas tree, like our ornaments or lights. And I'm going to start with sort of medium-sized dotting tools and add all three of the colors, and then go down to the smaller dotting tools and repeat and add all three of the colors until they're kind of evenly dispersed across the tree. I'm going to continue to do this until the entire background of the tree is filled in and you can't see anything behind it. So there is a little bit of overlap on some of the dots, but not much. As I'm finishing up the dotting here, I wanted to take a second and talk about the writing, which is what's coming next. I've had a lot of people tell me that they get intimidated by the kind of script writing that you'll see in this design. And so I wanted to encourage you not to get intimidated, don't get discouraged. There is a link in the description to a cool hand lettering workbook that I got on Amazon several years ago. I've been using it for years as a reference. It's really great, very affordable, and you can write in it. It's got practice pages. You can also pull up example fonts on Pinterest if you want a script, if you want to print. I'm going to show you some examples here. You can pause the video and use these as a reference point, or just to give you an idea of what you can search out to find for different options for writing. It doesn't have to be the script that I'm showing you on this rock. So to start out, I'm going to take a white Thule Art acrylic paint pen and I am going to write the word Merry. And once I've got the word written out, I'm going to go back, and anywhere that the pen did a downstroke, so anytime it went down, I'm going to go ahead and thicken that part of each letter to give it some nice definition. So now I'm going to switch gears and change paint colors into black. You can see part of my and sign is in white and the bottom half of it is in black, so that we have the contrast between the black and the white backgrounds. And so the word on the bottom on the white background is going to be bright. So we have merry and bright. And I will do the same thing with this word. I'm going to come back and thicken the letters anywhere that the pen was in a downstroke. Now you know a merry and bright rock is not going to escape without some glitter paint. So what I'm going to do with the glitter paint is take the corresponding colors and match them with random dots on the Christmas tree. So light green to light green, dark green to dark green, red to red, blue to blue, yellow to yellow. I'm not getting all of the dots, but I got most of them. And so this kind of gives that appearance of Christmas lights twinkling on the tree, and it looks really pretty. I'm going to take this Extreme Glitter hologram paint and a fine line eyeliner brush and apply a couple of stars in the night sky. And so these are going to be really faint when they dry because it's glitter paint. It's a clear glitter paint, but basically you make the star by drawing a cross with longer lines and then an X through that cross with shorter lines. And once it dries, it's very faint and the light has to hit it just right, but they twinkle. It's really pretty. I had to get this one outside so that you could see the glitter paint twinkling in the sunshine. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you are staying safe and healthy this holiday season. Thanks for stopping by to watch. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future uploads, and I'll see you next time.